I bet you didn't know how amazing lemons can be for your health. You know how much I love a cozy morning routine. That first cup of coffee, the warmth in my hands, the aroma filling the room, and the sun streaming through the windows, casting a golden glow over everything. Lately I've added something so simple, yet so transformative to my mornings. A big, refreshing glass of lemon water. It's become a ritual I look forward to. Ever wondered how a simple glass of lemon water can transform your day? It's not just about hydration, it's about starting your day with a burst of freshness and vitality. Stay tuned to discover 10 amazing health benefits of this refreshing drink. From boosting your immune system to improving your skin, you won't want to miss this. Let's talk about that immune system, y'all. It's something we all need to take care of, especially in today's world. Lemons are powerhouses of vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and fight off pesky free radicals. This essential nutrient is crucial for maintaining overall health and wellness. Just a squeeze of lemon in your water each morning can make a world of difference in how you feel all day long. It's a simple habit that can lead to significant health benefits, keeping you energized and refreshed. You know that feeling after a big meal, when your stomach feels heavy and bloated? When things just aren't moving along as they should, it can be really uncomfortable and frustrating. But did you know that a simple glass of lemon water can help with that too? The citric acid in lemon stimulates your digestive juices, getting things moving and grooving in your digestive tract. Plus, lemon water can help flush out toxins from your body, leaving you feeling lighter, more refreshed, and energized to take on the day with a smile. Who doesn't want radiant, healthy-looking skin? The antioxidants in lemons help fight off free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging. Lemon water helps your skin stay hydrated from the inside out, giving you that natural, dewy glow we all crave. Supporting a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is about feeling our best and having energy for the things we love. The pectin fiber in lemons helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing mid-morning cravings. It also helps regulate your digestive system, reducing bloating and keeping things running smoothly. Confidence in every breath. Nobody likes bad breath, but lemon water can help freshen your breath naturally. The citric acid in lemons stimulates saliva production, neutralizing odors and keeping your mouth feeling fresh and clean. Finding your balance. Maintaining a healthy pH balance is essential for overall well-being. Even though lemons taste acidic, they have an alkalizing effect on the body. This helps neutralize acidity, promoting a more balanced pH level, allowing your body to function optimally. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in many bodily functions, from muscle contractions to nerve function. Lemons are a surprisingly good source of potassium, helping regulate blood pressure, support heart function, and prevent muscle cramps. Keeping things flowing. Kidney stones can be incredibly painful, but lemon water can help prevent them. The citric acid in lemons increases urine volume and prevents the crystallization of minerals, aiding kidney health. Soothing inflammation. Chronic inflammation can contribute to many health problems, but lemon water's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce it. A daily dose of lemon water can provide natural relief and support your body's healing process. A natural energy booster. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, try starting your day with a glass of lemon water. The natural electrolytes in lemon water help to hydrate and energize your body on a cellular level, giving you the energy to tackle your day. So there you have it, 10 amazing benefits of lemon water that might inspire you to add this simple, refreshing drink to your daily routine. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy digestion and giving you glowing skin, lemon water is a natural and delicious way to enhance your well-being.